I would like to welcome you all here to the Digital Growth Hacks Club YouTube channel. Now, I know what you are thinking. Where is Jenny? Well, he is on vacation. He said he needed a break because billions and billions of people are watching his videos and hacks, yet people are not subscribing or returning to watch his hacks, and let's just say that is a big mistake. So I must make the announcement. The big announcement is...
All right, slow down, Mr. President. I want to make the announcement. All right, so listen, I know he's been in the news a lot lately, but hey, listen. I got some news for you. Plus Day is back, Appsumo Plus Day. And what they're doing is they're giving you 15%, actually get an extra 10% off, up to 19% with your original Plus Day. You're going to get an additional about 9% when you spend $100. And you must be a Plus member, because I was trying to tell you guys there's different things that happen with Plus members. And I think that's kind of the way to go if you're going to buy any tools from Appsumo, at least throughout the year. And I already told you, I think you have to buy 3 or 4 tools to kind of, actually can break even a lot more now because they give you $25 back per quarter. So that's about $100 a year. So anyway, and if you need me to explain that a little bit more, I probably could. But what we have here is they brought back, they have 7 exclusive deals. They have Gregoria, which is an all-in-one blog, newsletter, drag and drop, and they can do white label. They got Sherlock, which you can tell if someone's cheating on a, let's go back to that. That's kind of unique. You can tell if somebody's cheating on an online interview. You can monitor and sense if they're reading something, or if their eyes leave the screen, or if they're into another computer or something like that. Like say they're using their phone, this can detect it and it can stop it. This is some serious stuff right here. I don't know that I have a need for that. I think, but moving forward, someone that may run an HR business may have a need for that. And then, and again, you can get the Appsumo Plus $99 here. You can use the link in the description to be able to get any one of these tools. Albedo is back. Albedo does the no-code automations between apps. Teleport Me is a tool that uses 3D virtual tours. That's back 4 days. Akamba Mail is an all-in-one kind of landing page, kind of CRM built in all in one. So if you don't have a CRM at all, I think Akamba Mail is not a bad choice. I may have a video somewhere on Akamba Mail. I think I did one on Engine Mailer before. And what I wanted to talk about is how I just made the Donald Trump intro and all that. I made that with Phygital. Is it Phygital Plus? Phygital Plus. I made that. You could do a lot in this tool. The way you're going to get at least the motion and all that, you're going to get that at least at the tier 3. And I'm going to probably come back and do. Actually, I am going to come back. I'm going to pull this. I pulled it off the shelf, and I want to do a deeper dive on this. This is a different, unique tool. And again, I love tools that come and give me a unique experience. This tool has a lot of followers on YouTube already, so this one already has some momentum. They're doing this one the right way. And the founder has built a couple other successful companies in the past. He's done major deals with Volkswagen and a couple other. This is the real deal tool. Yeah, it's the real deal here. And then, like I said, Gregoria here. So that's the announcement that Mr. President wanted to make. Again, I'm cool with everybody. I ain't got no beef with anybody. I just create. That's what I do. But I was able to create that character. And I'm going to show you how to put it in motion. Probably I'm going to do a hack for if you are part of my hack pack 4 and above, I'm going to show you how to create that little hack. It's kind of hard for a couple of people, but I found it to be, it's a little tricky, but you definitely can do it. But while you're here, it might be a good opportunity for you to get some of your higher tier tools, like the Greta, and you can still get that. It'll put it in a discount for you. So if I wanted to come here and still get, this is a Plus exclusive. So if you wanted to get this at a discounted price, today would be your day to do that. You only have, I think, 39 hours to get this one. you can buy with Plus right now, get that exclusive. If you're going to do Plus, then you might as well, you can take it down to $379 instead of the $469. So this would be a good purchase today for you get the additional 10% off Plus. So I would use it for tools like that. If you're not familiar with some of these other tools and you don't want to get those, this would be a perfect opportunity to pick up that. Let me see, or get your Cinder or get your Gnome AI. I did the Sleeping Beauty pack. I'm telling you, it was a beauty. I may, if you stick around, you'll hear what I did with that pack. That was probably one of my best packs. And a lot of people like, why are you charging for that pack? Because I can use anywhere from 3 to 5 tools with the Sleeping Beauty pack, and you will make money in your sleep. Why don't we listen to one of the subscribers of my channel, Kev, and see what he has to say about the Sleeping Beauty pack.
Hey, it's your boy, Big Kev, and I would like to say thank you, Jenny Jones, for putting together this Sleeping Beauty hack. I went through it yesterday, and it was a really, really thorough piece of work. I mean, the recording had examples. It was on point. It was clear. It was very concise. And I think anyone that is watching this should at least join the Digital Growth Hacks Club and just follow it to talk to really intelligent people about tech and SaaS products and how they're using these products in their business, and obviously hacks as well, So Jenny Jones is creating masterpieces every other day, so I can't wait to the next one that comes out. And Jenny, I'll be there to have a little peek and see what is going on, what I could use in my business. Yeah, kudos.
All right, so there you have it. Plus Day is here. You guys need to take advantage of it. Again, get the extra 10% off. So really gets you about 19% off your deal here. There's still some pretty good stuff out here. Yeah, let me see what else is here that you can do. Yeah, we already talked about Gnome AI. This deal ends in 8 days. This may be the sneakiest deal of the year because of the power that you can do with this. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't know. This deal, Co-Crush Media, he's really into this. He dug into this. I kind of jumped in with 1 foot. When I say 1 feet, I kind of jumped in with 1 foot, and it was good what I saw on the surface. And I moved on to other tools because I'm still using this. I got like 4 of them, and I'm still using it. But I've gotten way into some other stuff, and this is some serious stuff. So I just wanted to give that to you. A couple of other ones are leaving. New Reply. You got to get this tool. If you do the Sleeping Beauty pack, you'll know why you need to get this. You might as well get this tool too. So if you get this tool, then I would get at least a tier 3. So you got 3 more days to get this. The Sleeping Beauty pack is up there. Matter of fact, I'm going to give a discount out for my Sleeping Beauty pack. On the Sense of Appsumo Day, I'm going to give an additional, I'm going to do 25% on my Sleeping Beauty pack. So you just got to use the code SheVet, and I'll put that in there. You can get that discount and pick up the Sleeping Beauty pack. I'm telling you, it is probably the most comprehensive one that I've done. Again, it uses 3 tools initially, but then you can add 2 more tools to it. And I call it the Sleeping Beauty pack because you make money in your sleep. I'm telling you. New Reply is part of that. You might want to take advantage of that. Use the link in the description below if you still want to continue to get the juice and get some of the ideas and the concepts. But I'm telling you right now, I'm going to pull off the shelf this tool right here, this magical tool right here. I already have a tier 3, but where you're going to pick up, what you're going to realize is, and the reason why I have a tier 3, you might as well, because you're going to get the additional 19% off. I got a feeling this might go up in price. I kind of got that feeling. I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong, but you're going to get Stable Diffusion, which gives you the ability to create the vision. The motion in your pictures. You're only going to be able to do that with, I think, Stable Diffusion inside of this tool. So if you wanted motion, you want really good motion, this is a tool that kind of connects and puts tools. You can put like 4 tools together and remove background, move move motion, morph. You could do where you could take one picture, you can have it be a sunny day, and then you can connect it and do a morph and have it be a snowy day in the same tool, right? Without even leaving. This is some serious. Now, this is a serious tool. Now, I have a couple of the tools out already, but I love when I can do different things with different tools. Like you could say, hey, make it snowy day here, then move it to a rainy day here, then move it back to a snowy day here. Then you can put all that into motion with the Stable Diffusion that's built in. So, hey, listen, I'm just telling you, this is some of the stuff you can do with this tool. I was really impressed with it. I'm going to dive a little bit deeper into it. You guys can use the link in the description below, support the channel. We're going to keep moving it here. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.